Just want to say a quick good morning to everybody. Hope everyone had a happy Easter, a great weekend and everything like that. Wish you could have spent more time on folks' house, but due to the weather giving false forecasts and everything, I decided to come back to my house a little bit earlier to try and avoid the rain. But unfortunately it didn't rain, so I didn't get to spend as much time with my folks as I wanted to. But they understand. Luckily, they understand. Well, if anything, I might try and get back down there this weekend. But anywho, we'll see what this week has in store. Y'all take it easy. Peace. So I'm back at the repair shop today for a meeting with one of our managers. She's a big boss. She wants to have a meeting with the apprentices and stuff like that. I don't know what I can tell her, being that I haven't been here in about 2 months, and then I was off and on for basically about 5 months straight. Anywho, also my foreman asked me to make him, or make, not him, but make a nameplate for one of our newest managers. So that's what I'm doing today. Stamp shapes. So I shall see y'all in a bit. Yeah, I do not miss this at all. I gotta enjoy my last 2 weeks while it's damn, I guess. This sucks. It sucks. So, yeah. It's not my cat. Yeah. Cause I think your shock hanging, bro. Hanging bad. Alright, so tonight's little vlog or whatever, or basically today's little vlog, is going to be me preparing steaks again. The ones that I did the other day for my friend's celebration, apparently they were a hit. Everyone loved them and stuff like that right there. So I'm going to try and replicate it. Also, this is a competition between myself, and I issued a call out to my welding instructor. He knows who he is. But anyway, again, just like last time, they're just throwing in the sink a little bit. Soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, obviously for the marinade. This little concoction right here is going to be the ingredients for, here's my little shaker. They're going to be the ingredients for my seasoned fries once they get done. Not going to do a baked potato this time. For dessert, I might do another thing of brownies. Obviously, the brown sugar is in case if I got to make some more of my rub and seasoning, which I might not have to. Because this should be enough just to do those 3 steaks. But again, man, if anybody has any type of call out or anybody has anything that they want me to possibly try, because I had a coworker tell me that because he knows I like to cook and like to try different things and put my spin on different things, he told me that I needed to possibly try oxtails. I've never ate oxtails, but he told me to first off try them from someone who knows how to cook, and then do my homework on how to cook them, because I didn't know that they were as expensive as they currently are. Which whenever I go to cook them, I seen that I can get Wagyu ones. If you don't know what Wagyu meat is very, very good meat. Basically, if you get a Wagyu steak, it's supposed to be the creme de la creme of a steak. But I also seen like, you know, some more fresher meat type things and all that. So we'll see how that right there goes. I just got to do my homework and stuff on it. But again, Coach, you know who you are. That's your call out, homie. I say I'll check back in and everything once I get to start seasoning the steaks and stuff. So see you in a little bit. Just like I said, that's basically going to be the mixture or the seasoning for my double seasoned French fries. Like I said, that's them. It's up to you to mix up the amounts and everything. Like I said, I'm going to shake that right there up, give it a little taste test, see what it needs. If it's good, it's good. If it's not, I'm going to add more of whatever I think it needs. Simple as that. And also, big shout out to Donut Operator, who was basically one of the main reasons why I decided to do this little experiment. That's a good word, experiment. You know. Anywho, just thought I'd give him a shout out.